Welcome to the show, everybody. It's me, Shaun, and this is Skylar, and today we are going to be doing an awesome painting, and we're going to do it together. And so we're going to go over what you need to get started with your painting today. So Skylar, do you want to show them the brushes that we're going to be using?
Mm-hmm.
All right, grab your brushes. So I've got my brushes and Skylar's got her brushes. So go ahead, you can hold them up close to them too so you can see.
We're going to be using this kind of thick brush and this medium pointy brush and this small little brush.
Yeah, so we've got a few different brushes and we're gonna choose our paint colors now. So we've got our paint colors back here. So Skylar, you get to pick what colors we're gonna use for our painting today. So go ahead and show them what colors we're gonna pick. Ooh, red. Nice, perfect. I'll take that. White, nice. All right, I like it. Black, okay.
And yellow.
And yellow, wow. Oh my goodness. Well, I'm excited. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's get our paints ready on our plate. Let's get our brushes ready to go. And we are gonna start painting this awesome painting today. Let's go ahead and grab our small brushes here. Just our small ones, or whatever you like. You're the artist. You feel comfortable with whatever you want. And I've got my plate of paint here, so does Skylar. So you can see we've got our small brushes. These are good brushes to draw with, okay? So they're really good to kind of draw with because they're so small. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put a little bit of black on our brush. Just a little bit, just to practice with this awesome color. All right, and what I want you to do is right here, I want you to draw a triangle. Just like that. A nice little triangle. There you go, Skylar. Looking good. All right, and then now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and draw a triangle going down from that one. Just like that. Just on the end there. Skylar's super focused. Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and draw a little bit of just a nice underneath it, like a little smiley face right there. Look at that. Way to go, Skylar. And then we're going to draw probably the other side of that, kind of an upside down smiley face. A little bit bigger though. Very good. Okay, let's see how it looks. Looking good so far. I love it. All right, so we've got that. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take right off of this and right over here. This is where our neck of our bird starts to come together. So we're gonna go ahead and draw a nice curvy line going right around. And it's so good that you're using this small brush during this step, and we're using plain black still. And just, very little paint. We don't use a ton. All right. Now we're, yeah, looking good. Skylar's looking good over there. Very nice, Skylar. All right. So, what you want to do is we're going to make a line coming from right here, same brush, and this one's going to come right down about right here. So it's curving just like the other one. It's curving down, but we don't go down all the way. Very good job, Skylar. Okay. Now, where this is right here, I'm going to curve this up just a little bit there. Nice. And we're going to go ahead and make a nice little line going right here. This is going to be our bird's wing. Very good. And from this point right here, you can see it's curving up a little bit right there. We're going to go ahead and make a line just coming right off of that. Just like that. Skylar's super focused. I love that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we're going to make some little spikes happen right here at the end of our bird. Little spikes. As you can see, Skylar's looking really close. She wants to make sure she's careful with that. And then with this spike, this last spike, we're going to go ahead and bring that up and over. Yeah, you can put more paint if you need to. Very good job. Up and over. Wow, look at that. Nice, good job. Okay. And we can also start making some legs. Okay, so this is a nice, what kind of bird is this, Skylar?
A flamingo.
It is a flamingo, so it's got long, skinny legs or big, fat ones? Long, skinny legs, you got it, right? So we're gonna make a couple of these little nubs at the bottom right here. Okay. And now we're gonna make it, on this one right here, we're gonna make a line come right down. Look at that, almost to the, actually to the bottom. Well, yours is a little smaller of a bird, so you can make yours just a little bit down. It doesn't have to go all the way to the bottom because they can't be that tall. There we go. Nice. And now this one's a funny one. This leg is funny because this one actually curves like this. Make a line coming out like that. Wow. And then we're going to make a line coming and meeting that guy. Now these flamingos have very funny knees. They have little kneecaps. So we're going to make a nice little bit of an oval right here where this bends. Perfect. And then we're going to make another one just right here. And those are looking like its little legs. So as you can see, we've got pretty much our bird just right there. You can make its little feet too. You could just make like little feet come out here. They're big flat feet because they need to balance themselves. And then I'm going to color in his little beak right here too. So I colored in the beak right here, the little triangle that we first started off with. Look at that, Skylar, very good job. Oh, look at it, you're a pro. And then there is a little bit of a line that we're gonna make go right here. That's its like little bird beak, just making a nice little bit of dimension right there for us. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we've got our shape of our bird. We're gonna go ahead and let that black dry off a little bit. And what colors are flamingos?
Pink.
Pink, yeah, pink. All right, so we're gonna have a pink flamingo. So get ready. We're gonna add some color. We're gonna let that black dry off a little bit. Now it's time for some awesome color. We're gonna switch our brushes. We're gonna do that kind of cool flat one that you showed them. And we've got our colors on our paint. And now we need to make the flamingo. What color, Skylar?
Pink.
Pink! Okay, so that means we have got to mix what colors to make pink?
Red and white.
Red and white, you got it. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of my red right out here, my plate, just kind of have it right there. And then I can scoop up some of my white, or you can bring some of your red into your white. I'm not using it all, but the more red you put into your white, the more, like, I'd say dark pink it's gonna be. And the more white you use is gonna mean it's more lighter. So you find whatever mix you like. Skylar's doing a great job mixing hers. All right, looking good. Make a bunch of it if you want to. We're making that flamingo nice and pink, so we'll have it really, really pretty. So I'm mixing mine up. Skylar, you want to show them your pink too? Ooh, nice. Okay, we've got our pinks. All right, so we're gonna very carefully stay away from our black, and we want to just color this in. We have one more color on our plate that we haven't used. What color is it? Yellow. All right. So we're going to go ahead and set this brush down and grab our small, tiny brush.
You have two.
Yeah, there you go. There's yours. I took Skylar's. Oh no. And then we're going to put a little bit of yellow on that. And then we're going to dot its little beautiful eye. It's actually a yellow eye. Whoa. Make a little tiny circle. Beautiful job. High five on that one. So this next step is a detail step. If you want to add little details, you grab your small brush like me and Skylar do, and we're going to go ahead and use a little bit of black, just a tiny little bit. All right? And this is where you can start adding your detail stuff, Skylar. It's so cool because you can really add some cool lines here. You can even make its little eye. You can go around its little eye here and make it, whoa, look at that. And it's just a cool, look, I got another little line right here. Nice. I like that. And see, look at here, you can add, whoa. These like little feathers you can start adding. Look at that. So this is where you start getting more into the detail step if you want to add like a little bit. See, it's like its little wing right there. Look at that. I'm just making little lines come in and making it look like he's got a nice, awesome wing. Whoa, beautiful job. And then we can even ruffle some feathers here. See, you can just make little lines. But it looks so different once you start adding your little details, and look, I can even make. All right, well, we just finished our flamingos, so guess what time it is? It's party time! Join us next week as we paint again. We'll see you on Friday.